say, babe, I'm nasty, I say me too. Girl, you addicted and I need you. She say, babe, I'm nasty, I say me too.
Everybody, welcome to the LPN squad. I'm just kidding. Welcome to her squad because
welcome to the Gigi fam, aka Gigi Nation. And today I'm going to be doing a collab with my beautiful sister. And her channel is called the
LPN Squad.
LPN Squad. And I'll put it in the description box down below. And I want to give AK what? Go ahead.
I think you can go ahead.
No,
you
you
go ahead.
And I'll be giving two big shout outs to KEILAHS World and TTV Almighty _ Draco. So go subscribe to their channels, and theirs will also be in the description box down below. And there's hair in this. That's disgusting. So today we will be making
face mask slime.
2 ingredient slime. Take the hair out. Get the hair out.
Can you take it
right
out?
Here.
I don't know if I take it out.
I'll take it out later. But anyways.
Okay, so we're going to be making it.
A 2 ingredient slime.
It's called.
Hey. A face mask.
Face mask.
Hold on, give me a
It's
sec.
for men, but we're still using it.
Give me a sec.
I'll take over the video for you.
Bitch, it's just 2 seconds.
Then we're going to need laundry detergent, and that's all we need for this video.
Yeah, exactly. 2 ingredients. And there's just take that off of there. And then all you will be needing is a stir.
But what are we gonna stir it in? Ah!
And this.
Is it gonna stir it in there?
And for you, you can use that container.
No.
Ah!
I'm gonna go find one.
Give her a quick second. Be careful.
I found one already.
Be careful.
I found one already.
Found the damn thing.
I'm gonna break this.
Got the piece of hair.
I can
I
stir
can
it
advise you guys, I really hate slime.
in. Why the fuck you made it?
But
I'll be using this.
my sister on her channel, what are we gonna be doing on your channel?
On my channel, we are gonna be doing videos. We are gonna be doing a slime video.
Why are we would do another slime
I don't know,
video?
I'm just kidding. We're gonna be doing a let's see, a video that we haven't done before. We're gonna be decorating our background.
Oh yeah. By the way, we got a new background set.
We got a new background set. We're sitting on the floor right now.
God damn it!
What is wrong with you? Let me guess. You're gonna say everything.
Yeah, everything.
You're taking too long. Who cares about the hair?
I do.
That's big.
It's nasty. Look at all that hair. It's all on the slime.
You happy you got it out?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Picky.
It's all on my freaking fingers.
Ugh. Why are you so picky?
I don't know.
Let's get started now. Come on.
Oh yeah. I took a DNA test. I took a DNA test. It turns out I'm
A bit. I'm just kidding.
True. Okay. I'm gonna go first.
True.
And I'm a bitch. And I'm beautiful.
I'm beautiful.
Okay. There's already some detergent. Go get a white.
No, you can use my thing.
This?
Even though it's gonna turn white.
It's not bleach.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna.
Dumbass.
You were dumbass.
So I'm gonna grab this.
And mine too?
Give me a sec.
You do this.
No, that's mine first. I go first. So, waiting for it to come out.
That's too much.
It's farting. So look.
I'm
See
scared
there?
mine's are gonna leak. Should I use this? No.
And this is hers. Hello?
Put the much you put in yours.
And that's the amount I put.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Tuba. Okay. We finished with this. It's not all the way finished, but yeah. We have it inside. You dumbass, you don't do that. Now we got the... I already have a little bit of activator in it, so we're going to see if
You're making more slime. You better split that with me.
No.
Yeah.
So there's some already in here.
You better split that with me.
And I'm going to put a little more. See?
It's going to come all together.
Yeah. It's like
that.
It looks like ooze.
So you're going to have to be adding more inside so it's not sticky like that.
See?
Hurry up. I can use that marker.
What marker? Big and marker. Okay.
I'm going to put some in mine.
Okay. For hers, it's easier to tell what she's doing because hers is a clear container. Mine's is a yellow container. So it's kind of harder.
So you guys can see what I'm doing. I'll give you the world, baby girl. You don't have to be worried.
You can get copyrighted for that.
No, I'm just singing the song. I can't sing it?
No.
Why?
Because we can get copyrighted.
How? Oh, I'm just singing.
So if you guys want to hear me sing any songs.
See, now you're going to get copyrighted.
No, my own songs.
Oh, the songs that you made. Okay.
If you ever want to see me make my own video on my own songs, even though I've never sing in front of people, except with my family, it spilled all over your pants.
Okay, I'm gonna clean it up.
To see this girl, she don't know how to make slime.
Yes, I do. This is a little container.
Without making a mess. I understand that she has a little container. There you go.
Start mixing it.
So,
How come you guys are black?
huh? How come what?
Nothing.
So we're making the slime, and my slime is completely finished.
Mine's are completely finished.
Mine's is not even sticky. Let me take out the rest of the slime from the around the container.
I can clean my slime. I can keep my slime in here.
No duh. And that is the end.
Split that one with me.
No.
Yeah, it's not fair. You have more slime than me.
Too bad. We can put it all together and we can share it. That's the life of having a sister. You have to share everything or splitting. Oh, by the way, I'm the oldest sister.
Second oldest.
And then my brother's the third oldest. And then
Tell them how old you are.
I am 12, turning 13 in
I
October.
am 10.
Turning 11 in December. So. Oh my fucking Jesus
Can I make
Lord.
more?
No.
I want to make a little more.
I hate hair.
So you don't like having hair?
Shut up.
You say you hate hair.
And slime.
Be Pacific.
People know what I mean. Because people deal with the same problems too. With slime.
Not me. I never had that problem.
So, even though y'all can't really see the poking process, so I'm going to put it on my hand. And we're going to... Okay, that's why I can't play with slime. It pokes a little bit. You can barely hear it, but it's alright. Is that all for the video today?
Tell them what next video and what previous video you're gonna be uploading.
Oh, I don't really know what my next video is gonna be. Give me some ideas in the comments. And the video that me and her are gonna be doing on her channel will be a drawing contest. So we're gonna see who can draw better.
It's obviously gonna be you.
We'll see. We'll see.
It is.
You don't know that? It depends on what kind of character we're making.
You draw good and everything.
Thank you. But anyways, that is all for today's video. I love you, Gigi Nation.
I hate you guys, I'm just kidding.
I love you, Gigi Nation. And that is all for the video today, guys. I love you. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.